Want to keep your phone gallery clean and stop WhatsApp photos from showing up automatically? In this guide, I'll show you 2 easy ways to prevent WhatsApp media from being saved to your Android gallery in 2026. Method 1. Stop media from a specific chat or group. If you only want to block photos and videos from certain conversations, such as large group chats or channels that frequently share media, WhatsApp lets you control media visibility for each chat individually. First, open the individual chat or group where you want to stop media from appearing in your gallery. Next, tap the contact name or group name at the top of the screen to open the chat information page. Scroll through the available options and select Media Visibility. A pop-up menu will appear with different choices. Choose No, then tap OK to confirm your selection. Once enabled, any new photos or videos received in that specific chat will no longer appear in your phone's gallery app or Google Photos. Existing media that was already saved will remain on your device unless you delete it manually. Method 2. Stop media from all WhatsApp chats. If you prefer to prevent media from every WhatsApp conversation from appearing in your gallery, you can disable the Global Media Visibility setting. Open WhatsApp and tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the screen. Select Settings, then tap Chats. Look for the Media Visibility option and turn the toggle switch off. After disabling this setting, new photos and videos received through WhatsApp will still download to the app, but they will remain hidden from your device's gallery applications. This can help reduce gallery clutter and keep personal or unnecessary media organized inside WhatsApp only. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more helpful Android tips and tutorials.